This is Anna with Good to Go Gear. I'm back again to go over more of our hurricane preps. We want to go over our Pelican case. This has been really great because we were able just to get it on Facebook Marketplace for a good deal, and it's also waterproof and it's on wheels. So I'm able to roll it out to either vehicle that we have, a truck or a car. It can fit in either one. We want to go over some of the things we have in there. All right, we want to go over the things that we have in the case. We have some things that are redundancies from our other kit that we already went over, but we want to make sure we have plenty of food. We have several more packs of freeze-dried meals. We also have lots of blankets and things to keep us warm. This is one that could cover probably at least 2 of us. Here's another one that covers 1 or 2 people. We also have one of the small chairs. This one is good. It holds up to 300 pounds, so it's pretty sturdy. So that works out. We also have another first aid kit in here that's more thorough than we had in the other tote. Going on, I have some more kitchenware with the plates. This one is another little frying pan, and then there's a plate, so if we warmed up tortillas or something, we can cover it up and keep them warm till we're ready to eat them. These are actually the little glasses you get from the eye doctor when you get your eyes dilated. We thought having those in here is something quick and easy in case you need sunglasses. We have a full kitchen set here, which is pretty cool. Everything you could think of for silverware, a cutting board, soaps, a knife, everything you could need for the kitchen. Another thing we've added in this tote is toilet paper and also some dude wipes. These are like if you wanted to do like a shower and you didn't have water, you could wipe yourself down with those. Here's some campers toilet paper, so it's very small and compact. We already had some baby wipes, but you can never have too many of those. This is a little radio that's the wind-up one, so it doesn't need a battery. And we have this tote of food. I'm gonna leave it in there. Like I said last time, we have those collapsible cups or mugs, or you heat up some water, and then we have these packs of either instant oatmeal or grits or hot chocolate, which we all really enjoy having something sweet. If you're out and it's stressful, it's nice to have something sweet to have. As well as, instead of just drinking water, we have the Kool-Aid pack so that you can have some flavor. And I know the kids really enjoy that as well. And let's see what else is in here. This is a fillet knife, so if we go fishing, catch fish, you can fillet it. We have spices, more utensils. There's another cook kit for a little pot if you wanted to do that. Something else we really like to use are these quart-size bags. So if you have leftover food or something, you can throw them in there. Some more paper towels. Some more things we have in the tote are some fire starters. We have this live fire, a ferro rod, and then a lighter, things like that. So if we need to start a fire, more seasonings and silverware, and another extra canister for using our little camp stoves, they use these. All right, we also have a machete, so if we need to clear something. And then some tent stakes. We have a tent that can go off of our truck and stake it down, so we have those in here. This is something for the ladies. I won't necessarily pull it out, but we have 2 Shewees. So if my daughter and I need to use the restroom on the road, we can use that because you can't always stop at a restroom. So those are in there. And to finish, we actually have 3 wool blankets. 2 of them are military issued ones, these green ones. Wool is really good for the moisture and keeping dry and warm in the rainy season. So if we're leaving for a hurricane, it's really good to have wool blankets. And this is actually a sand cloud towel. They're fast drying. It's actually really big. So if we need a towel for any reason, we've got that. But this is Anna with Good to Go Gear. I want to thank you all for watching, and like, share, and subscribe.